For those new, welcome in. For those returning, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be attending a game at Extreme Airsoft, which is a local airsoft field in the city of Memphis. Unfortunately, the day that I visited Extreme Airsoft, the owner had an announcement to make. After January 1st, he was going to be either relinquishing ownership of the field to someone else, or the field itself will be shut down. His reasons were understandable. He has family and no time to be with family, so he wants to free up more time on the weekends. As of the posting of this video, it's unclear whether someone else is going to take over responsibility for the field or not. And because of how small the games are here, the footage I got isn't exactly very exciting, so don't be expecting too much running and gunning as you do for my normal videos at KartCon. But I still wanted to give this field some airtime, and I did have fun the one time I went. But without further ado, let's jump into it.
Dead men don't talk. So if you are dead and you're alright. 3, 2, 1, game on!
Oh, hit! Good shot! After respawning, I swung around to the left and went all the way around the map up behind the enemies, and the best part was, they had no idea I was there. Was that you? Was that you? That I got hit. That I hit you at the end of the game there.
Yes.
Behind the bunker. Sorry.
Not
Sorry
good.
about the rough end of your game.
I was like, was that a ricochet? What just happened?
Hey, I got two moving up on the right. They're at the forward black car. Pushing up on the left. Hit.
He managed to shoot my gun twice and the handle snapped off.
On your AUG. Well, I'm sorry, man. That's
It's
unfortunate.
An old dog. One of these days I'm gonna...
After that team deathmatch, we switched to a game of infection. I started out as a zombie. Each time a zombie tags a survivor, they become infected and then fight the remaining survivors.
shoot through the pallets.
Hey. Good firefight.
40 seconds.
Clear this place out.
Who's left? Who's left?
30 seconds. Remember, if you're close, say bang bang.
Who's left?
20 seconds.
Bang, bang.
There we go. Game over. Infector win. Oh, yeah.
Target destroyed.
Nothing else showing up on my scanner, Commander. All targets destroyed.